So here we are in conversation with Mr. Mohit Budraj, who is the CEO of Offert Hotel Locks. See, the first thing, sir, that we know whenever we enter a hotel, even when a layman enters the hotel, the first thing that we require is a security system. And when it comes to security, Offert is the place that we are in. So, sir, please tell us more about your brand and your products.
We are a very old company, about 25 years old, and we are in the industry of providing very extraordinary, comprehensive range of hotel locks, RFID hotel locks. As soon as you enter any hotel, most of the places you get a card like this.
Right.
Now, which means that you have, this is actually not a card, this is a key to a room which will be associated to your name when you enter into a hotel. So as soon as you go there, you only have to show a card, and if you have paid money for about couple of days or 3 days, as long as your package stays, you open the lock, and now when the package is getting over, automatically the key will stop working on the lock. So that is an automatic feature. And the same key is used to put on the lights and ACs inside the room.
Right.
So it also saves the energies. So comprehensively, you save a lot of money by putting this, and a lot of botheration also is saved by having a key like this, because it can be, even if it is lost, it can be remade without changing a lock. So that is how you start to operate this.
The best thing that you said, that if it's lost, it can be remade as well, and it ensures security. And the main thing is identification. So can you tell us more about these over here?
We have various designs and models. I mean, we start at a price of about 4,500 rupees plus the GST. Pan India we sell, and we have quite a good number of customers in the range of about 2,500 to 3,000 customers now. As you can see, the range here, we have option of rose gold, gold, satin finish, and to add strength, we also have SS304 bolts. So, in very few locations, you will find such locks. And we have just recently launched yesterday our new range of lock, which is used for a slide door used in a hotel industry. Normally, a slide door is not used, but only in few cases, resorts these days on a UPVC door, which is so slim. A slide lock can be used like this. This is a gear like this. As soon as you show the card, and when you have to close the door by sliding it with the handle, just do like this and automatically this gets locked.
I think this is something new. This is a new product that we can see. The slide part over here especially is very unique. So, sir, how is your experience at Ahar been so far?
See, first 2 days were a little slow, but today we really see traffic here and good number of cases. And we have visitors from Jaipur, from Telangana, South India, Coimbatore, Sri Lanka, Nepal. So today was really a good day for us, and I'm absolutely sure that in few days from now, they'll start fructifying into good orders for us. So that's
Definitely.
been a good deal. And we have installations pan India. If you can see on that screen there, we have installations pan India. I have a good range of. We have a full team who goes and we fix the locks, and we have a good service backup support system, thereby supporting all the customers for a long range of innings. About 10 years of life in a hotel. We have done it in Switzerland, Sri Lanka, Uganda, Egypt. I mean, quite a number of places. We have direct installations, and I mean, if you check on the Offert Google reviews, you will find us on the top of all the competitors, and our kind of reviews are really making a company great.
That's amazing, and we wish you all the best as well. Thank you so much, sir.